Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to get your iPhone device out of coverage area. How to get, guys. Why am I telling you this? Sometimes as we know that if you don't want to pick up the call of anyone who is calling on your iPhone device and don't want to keep your iPhone device in a switch off mode, so in that situation you will have the problem and challenge is that how you will handle off someone's calls. So in that situation, let's keep our cell phone out of coverage area. So this will be better if anyone who is going to make call on your number, and when it will calls, then this person will get message that this number is out of coverage area. So how you will keep it? Let's see. Simply guys, I will have to come in a setting, and after coming the setting, just I will have to come in a mobile data selections, and here I have to choose network selection, guys. In the situation here, generally your networks belong to genuine dash company, just you have to skip and you have to select another one. So if anyone who is going to call on your number, it will say, yeah, your device, yeah, network service, thus the person will get a message that this is out of coverage area, thus you're calling on that number. So see how you will. Let's see. Just I will go for network selections and just I will go for off automatically. Now here, see guys, generally this network belong to Airtel, but here I will select Reliance. So in the situation if someone is going to call on this number, they will get a message, especially this number is out of coverage area. So in the situation, of course, you have no tension that if anyone who is going to call and you are not going to pick up, yeah, you are not going to just reply yes simultaneously. Also you will have no tensions that to cut off someone's call on your iPhone device. Just I will go for selecting the Reliance. Now see guys, if I make a call to on this number, see what will I will get a message here. Now see guys, here as demo I would like to show you here. Let's see. Now see guys, here it's out of coverage area, so no services coming here. Now see on your iPhone. So sometimes no services and sometimes after viewing a network on your iPhone device, however it will be out of coverage areas. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. While the emergency, yeah, in if you are busy with some work, in the situation if you would like to execute this step, of course you will have good options to select this strategy. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. How do you like this video tutorial? If it is acknowledged, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose guys. So thank you very much, have a great time, bye bye.